to be playing a game on Roblox called Don't Press the Button 4. Now, hopefully everything is working and the recording doesn't have any lag, because that was a big problem trying to set this up. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so let me just take a quick moment to explain how to play this game. So basically, in the center here, you have a button. It's currently not here, but it will be here soon. Basically, the main objective is don't press it. Oh, I have a flower stuck to my hand. Because when you do, all kinds of chaos will happen. Sometimes it's not that chaotic. Take a look. I mean, this isn't too chaotic, it's just a simple level, you know? Just dodge the cars, huh? Yeah, I have actually played this game quite a lot already, so I have 6 items. Pizza, a drink, a wall building tool, which I can use to build walls, a jetpack, which I can use like this, and a banana. Oh shit, I just got potatoed. A banana peel. You can slip on it and it just completely messes up the physics engine sometimes. Oh hey, look! One of my favorite modes. Ah, dang it. It's gonna try to clutch though. And I also have a taco, just cause. Yeah. Like I said, I've played quite a lot of this and I know how to use each item quite well. Okay, so if you seriously want to see the physics engine getting messed up, all you have to do is just take a banana peel, right? And take it to this, and when this happens, just put it here, walk over it, and then you'll just start spinning wildly when you get in the air. It's so strange. Oh hey, this. Seems simple enough, right? All you gotta do is just like parkour, just like jump up and stuff. But nobody I know has ever reached the end or the top. So I think the top is. I think how this works is it just has a bunch of clouds in like random positions. Yeah, so there's someone who's currently using an item called the rainbow carpet. In case you don't know how. I mean, magic carpet. Sorry, me. In case you don't know how it works, it basically allows you to fly. I'm not kidding when I say that. And not even they found the end. Oh, that's a moment when having a jetpack comes in clutch. See this bridge? Like falling apart and stuff? Don't worry, you've got a jetpack. I also currently have a clicky keyboard too. Oh yeah, this is fun. Okay, didn't die then. Oh yeah, this is pretty easy, this part. I also hope you don't really mind that sound in the background. I think that's a fan or an aircon. Just ignore that for now. Yeah, that was pretty easy. And this was a bit of an example of some of the chaos that can happen. But all you gotta do is just survive the falling tiles. Hey, yay! Oh, dang it. outside. You know, you can actually play this game in first person. Yeah, if you zoom right in, you can play it in first person. Some things look kind of interesting. When you eat pizza, right? It just stays in one spot. Oh hell yeah! This level is like super easy. Right? There we go. So this is actually like a physical place. And then there's also this here, which is like a death planet. I wonder if part of this is closing as well, because some of the stuff in here secretly has collision. Yep, there's collision here. Cool. Another lighting problem. Oh yeah, also I'm like amazing at this spleef. Check it out, right? I mean, if I have a jetpack, but I mean, if I seriously need to, I can just place stuff. Hey, look, this person already built something. And plus, this person's trying to make me lose. I don't really care about, because I have another trick up this sleeve. Well, my jetpack ran out of fuel, so I'm kind of done. But cool thing, right? You place banana peel, and someone will fall over it. And it looks a bit hilarious sometimes. And it will just make people just like flip. So another trick, alright? You can use the jetpack to do that. Wouldn't suggest actually going up here, but I mean it's easier than actually playing. Yeah, I'm the last person left apparently. Hey, we're in space! Alright. And you see, something I've always wanted to do is see if I could jump all the way from the moon here to like, the base or whatever it's called. This island thing. But the way the space level always ends right before I touch the ground. Oh, easy. Just hope that no one likes. Jeez, it's really annoying when someone stands on the button. Stop standing on the button! Yeah, I think some people get unfair advantages because they stand on the button. Yeah, see? I could barely even get 20 and I'm using an actual good mouse. Hey, look. Portal. I don't know where this could lead. Oh, it doesn't lead anymore. Oh, well, I need some more jetpack fuel. Oh, yep, watch out for that. Because that'll actually do some damage. Hey, what's this over here? Oh, never mind. Yeah, they're the chosen one, I guess. Okay, that portal does nothing. Oh. Oh, cool. You see, this is when pressing the button causes things that aren't that chaotic. I mean, this is just a fun little game of. This is like a fun little Easter egg hunt. There's no like competitive stuff involved, you know. Perfectly fun. And there's another one sitting on a mushroom. So my keyboard is just going, it's being super clicky right now. I really hope that's not being annoying, because if it is, I'm sorry. Where's some more Easter eggs? And there's gotta be some more around here, right? Oh, I thought I saw something here. See, they must be pretty good at this, you know. Hey, oh, I was about to pick up that ball. Oh yeah, here's something cool about this, right? Because this is a moving platform that's moving down, if you put bricks, if you build a wall out of bricks, or if you place down a banana peel, right? The bricks, any objects like physics or something will just like get it around. So it's more than just watching out, making sure that you don't walk in a specific spot where the banana is. It's making sure that the banana doesn't move over to you. Hey. Oh, sheesh. Seriously almost died there. See? It's just flinging me around. Oh shoot, acid is spreading. Yay, I love it when the acid is spreading everywhere. I mean, it's just so amazing how the acid just spreads, you know. It's amazing. It is totally amazing. Oh yay. Kid-friendly game. You know, it's like fighting. Oh, so I just die instantly. Kind of funny, actually. It also really sucks. Oh, come on, I wanted that coin. Anyway, you see, I'm currently trying to save up for this item. It's a blow dryer. Yeah, it's called a blow dryer. Basically, it blasts out winds that push players off the map. I could either get that, or I could get this, which allows me to fly forever, wherever I want. I could save up more and be able to shoot other players, or get a bomb. But the bomb is like the last item. Oh yeah, a little bit of like parkour. Well, if I'm gonna be completely honest, I've never played like Tower of Hell or anything, but I'm pretty good at this. And I see if... Oh! I'm like the last person left. Oh, well, I died, so that kind of sucks. Hey, check out this prank, right? Oh, they're gone. Check out this prank. Let's go walk into someone, right? Place down a banana. Oh. Well, you see, this is pretty easy when you have a jetpack. I mean, if you don't have a jetpack handy, it's still pretty easy, but this is a definite time to be saying, I'm the king of the world. Because place a banana under the umbrella. That way someone will just get flung out. Yep, there you go. Oh. Okay. Wait, coin. Ah! Ah! Oh, dang it, I died. Oh, yeah, I gotta get to the water. Good thing I'm already close enough to it. Oh yeah, this is an interesting level, you know? Because one of two things will happen. You'll either get, yeah, it's the good ending. You get candy, which makes the slowed down, and whenever you eat any of it, it plays a slowed down version of the nom 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 sound effect. Okay. Where's the fire? Alright, there we go. There we go. We're gonna win, right? Please tell me that we win. That would be quite good. So we don't actually win. Yeah, we won. Let's go. Yeah. Flood will start rising. Yeah, believe me, you do not want to be stuck in the flood. It's pretty toxic, I guess. So yeah, you want to take your best parkour skills and use them. As falling in as the acid isn't very. Yeah, there we go. Let's prank someone. Oh man. Oh, it ended before he felt before. Hey, let's get some knowledge.
Knowledge.
Shall we? Yeah,
Knowledge.
there we go.
Knowledge. 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 Knowledge.
Wait a minute, I just realized I'm pretty sure I'm not wearing the right hat. That's interesting. Yeah, you see, this song like jump in blah 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 seconds. Easiest way to beat it. Ah. He's getting chased. Oh yeah, I got him. Oh, sorry about the noise. But yeah, I just got him. Oh great, we've got to avoid the cube. Based on the fact that we're in a Colosseum. Colosseum, not Colosseum. What kind of entertainment is this? Getting chased by a cube. Yeah, getting chased by a moving cube. Not my kind of entertainment. Oh. Jeez. That really gave me a surprise. Hey, what did you do to the banana? Where's that banana peel? Oh. Oh well. Yup, if I touch it, I die. I casually just shrivel up and die. Yeah. Alright, now I want to see if I can like drink it on that. Basically go, this is good. I've got to have a banana peel. And obviously I have to fall in it because like comedy and stuff. See, oh, don't mind that. Someone driving a motorbike outside. And see, I can't actually hear what music is playing because here's the thing, right? I have a speaker and I have my microphone. But you see, because I'm using a monitor, the monitor doesn't play sound. It has a headphone jack, but I haven't got it connected to that. I've got headphones connected to my microphone, so I can listen to the microphone output. But you see, oh great, another person riding a motorbike. If I turn on my speaker, right, it plays music. It plays what's going on out of it, but I'm currently using OBS, as you can see down here. Wait. Oh, cool. Where's the gunfight? If I turn on my speaker, OBS starts recording. I've set up OBS that it basically records like the music that what would be coming out of my computer and what my microphone is hearing. But if I had my speaker turned on and it was playing music out of it, my microphone would pick it up and then you'd be hearing double. Pretty annoying, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, it's kind of loud. Oh. Oh no, Roblox is frozen. Alright, I've disconnected my speakers. Yeah, that was what it sounded like. So, I don't think I've ever actually had a bomb. Let's get this little kid out of here. What the? He just jumped to the moon and back. This is fun, you know? You have to stay at the top for the longest and people can like slap each other out of here or whatever. But it's pretty annoying actually because like there's always like one person who stays there for long. And also, whenever you get hit by a gauntlet, which is probably the item that's used to knock someone back by like slapping them or something, it does damage, so you can die from being knocked off. If you understand what I mean. Jeez, that kid. That person is tiny and oh yep, as you can see I just got like launched. I just got sent to Jesus then. I can probably imagine what the person who just killed me there would have been saying. They probably said, I will send you to Jesus. Like, yeah, It's kind of funny, actually. Yep, Roblox physics engine in a nutshell. If someone slaps you, you just go spinning. Like, you go spinning kind of like this. Yeah. Oh, whoops. Okay. Yeah, it'd be pretty good to have the gauntlet as an item that you can use outside of that level. Oh, yeah, snowball fight. It's probably a good idea to target people who don't have full health. Yay! Snowball fight! Oh shoot, I better keep an eye out. I don't want to like die or anything. Oh. Yeah, I died. Anyway, how long has this been recording for? Jeez. That's like 20, that's almost half an hour of footage. Well, I guess it's probably time to finish the video. If you want to, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe, you can comment. If there are any Roblox games that you want me to play, because Roblox is probably one of the only games that my computer can handle while recording. Oh no, potatoes! Yeah, comment that. If there's anything interesting about the video, comment about that. But otherwise, I guess I will see you later. Alright. Thank you for watching.